In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the BCS Foundation Certificate in Business Analysis, what it is, who it's for, what the exam covers, and why I think it's one of the fastest ways to get into a tech role in the UK. So the BCS, or the Chartered Institute for IT, created this as a recognized entry-level qualification. It's globally respected, it's widely respected by UK employers, and it sets the baseline for what a new BA should know. Who's it for? Well, it's designed for career changers like myself, people with no coding skills, no degree, no previous BA experience, but transferable skills from jobs in admin or customer service or operations. You don't need previous BA experience to take the exam either. In the UK, it's one of the most frequently requested or preferred certifications for entry-level BA jobs. Having the cert shows hiring managers you meet the professional BA standard and that you learned the recognized BA framework. What's in the exam? So it's a 60-minute multiple choice exam. There are 40 questions and the pass mark is 65%. The syllabus includes the business analysis process model, stakeholder mapping, requirements engineering, process modeling, and the official BCS glossary of definitions. Why employers value it? It's recognized by major players like BT, Tesco, the NHS, GlaxoSmithKline, Barclays, and because it's backed by a professional body and not just a training organization, it's trusted across industries from finance to healthcare to government. If you're serious about moving into business analysis, especially from a non-tech role, this is one of the quickest, most credible ways to do this. And that's the BCS Foundation Certificate. You know what it is now, you know who it's for, you know what the exam covers, and you know why it matters.